Alright, welcome to the first video in the Lakeview Middle School Spartan Math video library. This is something new I'm giving a try here. In class recently we've been working with finding surface area of rectangles amongst other shapes. I just wanted to start making some videos to put on here. So let's take a look at this rectangle that I've drawn on here. Remember, surface area just refers to the amount of space that something takes up. So this is a two-dimensional object. The two dimensions that we're going to be dealing with are the length and the width. If I count up the squares inside of this rectangle, you'll notice the length on this side happens to be 6 centimeters, and the width, if I count along the other side with the W, is going to be 4 centimeters. So what this really tells me is I've got 4 rows of 6 squares, centimeter squares. There's a way to, aside from just counting up those 4 rows of 6, if I think about it, the 4 rows of 6 is telling me that my area is going to be, usually we think about it as length times width, so I could substitute those numbers of 6 and 4, so there you see my 4 rows of 6, and if I multiply those two together, that gives me 24. And we're going to call those square centimeters. And if you think about it, if you look at one of these individual centimeters, each one of them is a square. So if I counted each of those up, that would be 24 square centimeters. So just to review, when you're doing these problems, if you're trying to find the area of a rectangular prism, the formula is going to be your length times your width. Once you multiply those two together, in this particular case it was centimeters was my label, and because we're talking about two-dimensional centimeter squares, that little 2 up there denotes that it's square centimeters. I hope you find this video useful, and please check back in to find what else it is that we are showing in the Lakeview Spartan Library.